Today we are going to be solving this exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 has only one question. Okay, let's solve it. Question number 1 says that the graph of y equal to p of x are given below for some polynomial p of x. Find the number of zeros of p of x in each of the case. Here we are going to find out the number of zeros in each of these case. Okay, let's find out. Roman number 1. We already know that the number of zeros will be the intersecting point of the graph and the x-axis. Here the graph and the x-axis no intersections point here, so the number of zeros is 0. The number of zeros is 0 as the graph does not intersect the x-axis. Next, Roman number 2. Here this graph and the x-axis intersects at only one point, so the number of zeros will be 1. The number of zeros is 1. Next, Roman number 3. Here the graph and the x-axis intersect at 1, 2, 3. Intersects at 3 points, so the number of zeros is 3. Next is Roman number 4. Here this parabola and the x-axis intersects at 2 points, so the number of zeros will be 2. Number of zeros is 2. Next, Roman number 5. Here this graph and the x-axis intersects at 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of zeros will be 4. Number of zeros is 4. Next is Roman number 6. Here this graph and the x-axis intersects at 1, 2, 3. So the number of zeros will be 3. The number of zeros is 3. Here we conclude exercise 2.1.